Hi and welcome to the channel. Tonya made a request to analyze Westrock, so let's take a look. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. Westrock has a market cap of $9 billion, stock price while recording this video is 36.65, and they operate in the containers and packaging industry. In this graph we can see since mid-2015 up to recently, they have actually underperformed the S&P 500 by quite a lot. Actually, if you invested $10,000, you would only have $8,000 left, and this is with the dividends reinvested. Now some financial data. The sales the past 5 years has gone up 7.4% annually, that's a green check mark. The EPS though is a bit low, 5.5, that's an X. But the analyst expects some stronger earnings ahead, 11.4%. The return of capital has been a bit low, only 5.4%. And the debt compared to their free cash flow is 6.56 years, which is a bit high. Now let's check out the yield data. A nice dividend yield at 3%. And they actually bought back 4.76% of their shares last year, so the combined yield is almost 8%. Very nice. The payout ratio is also extremely low, only about 21%, so they still have room to increase that dividend. And the dividend growth rate unfortunately seems like it has been slashed, it's negative, minus 8.86. And yeah, the growth years, same here, they have only been growing the dividend for one consecutive year. So all in all, that makes up of a score at 5 out of 10 points. But let's check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. And here we have fast graphs in front of us and Westrock. And if we begin with the dividends, which is the white line, we can see that they increased it all the way up to 2020 where it decreased, and then they cut it again 2021, but now they have been bumping it up, but only 1 year of increasing their dividends as right now. And the orange line is the earnings per share at PE of 15, and we can see it's a bit of a roller coaster to say the least, but the earnings growth is actually 9.2%. So even if it's quite volatile, it's actually going up. If we plot the normal PE, which is 13, combined with the current stock price, we can see that it's also very volatile. Yeah, peaks of $63 down to 28 in the span of a year. But as of right now, it trades at a PE of 8, and if we project it out to its normal valuation, analyst expects an annual rate of return of almost 23%. Let's check if there are any analysts estimating Westrock, and here we can see that it's actually about 15 analysts estimating him, but here we can also see that they almost miss 60% of the time. So we can take the estimations with a grain of salt. Please like and subscribe, and also watch one of my latest videos where I go through my dividend portfolio and the received dividends for November. See you soon!